Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Batrahman Firdaus with number registration 035. Today I want to present my academic poster. Uh, Let me share screen first. Okay. Uh, so this is my academic poster with the title of an overview uh, of the decline in muscle strength and hamstring flexibility in elderly patients with knee osteoarthritis. The first part is introduction. Knee osteoarthritis is a degenerative joint condition and that commonly affects the elderly, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. It often targets weight-bearing joints, particularly the knees, and is the most prevalent type of osteoarthritis. In Indonesia, its radiological prevalence reaches 15.5% in men and 12.7% in women aged of 40 to 60. Elderly individuals with knee osteoarthritis frequently experience difficulties in daily activities due to decreased muscle strength and limited flexibility, especially in the hamstring muscles. Reduced physical activity, joint pain, and movement limitations can lead to further muscle weakening, creating a cycle that worsens mobility and independence. Uh, Next is the objective of the study. The study aims to analyze the decline in hamstring muscle strength and flexibility in elderly patients with knee osteoarthritis. Specifically, it examines the effects of the conditions, compares difference based on activity level, and explores the correlation between knee osteoarthritis and hamstring functions. Next part is literature review. In this literature, recent studies highlight that knee osteoarthritis leads to progressive muscle weakness and reduced flexibility, especially in elderly individuals. According to Smith et al. In 2020, hamstring weakness significantly contributes to balance issues and reduced mobility in knee osteoarthritis patients. According to Lee and Park in 2023, found that limited hamstring flexibility correlates with increased joint stiffness and pain severity. Additionally, Rahman et al. In 2022 reported that low physical activity levels among the elderly with osteoarthritis accelerate the decline in lower limb function. These findings emphasize the importance of assessing both muscle strength and flexibility alongside physical activity levels to develop effective intervention strategies. Okay. Well, the material and methods of this poster review is this descriptive quantitative study involved elderly patients diagnosed with knee osteoarthritis. Hamstring muscle strength and flexibility were assessed using manual muscle testing or MMT and the sit and reach test. Physical activity levels were measured using the IPAC or in short form, categorizing participants into low, moderate, and high activity levels. Data were analyzed to identify differences and correlations between activity levels and muscle performance. Okay. For the research gap of this review is, although existing literature acknowledge the decline in muscle strength and flexibility among elderly individuals with knee osteoarthritis. There is limited research specifically examining the correlation between hamstring flexibility and lower limb muscle strength. Furthermore, few studies quantify how these impairments collectively affect functional mobility, balance, and fall risk in this population. Addressing this gap is crucial for developing targeted rehabilitation strategies. And the conclusion for this literature review is the findings of this study indicate a notable reduction in both hamstring flexibility and lower limb muscle strength among elderly patients with knee osteoarthritis, with over 65% of participants demonstrating below average scores in strength assessments and reduced range of motion. These deficits were significantly associated with impaired functional performance and increased fall risk. The results underscore the importance of incorporating flexibility and strength training into therapeutic interventions to enhance mobility and quality of life in this population. So, that is my literature review poster. Uh, in, enough for this presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.